I'm Barbara. Today I'm showing you how to make the tastiest low-carb stuffed cabbage. Whether you're cutting out grains because of allergies, trying to reduce your carbs, or just looking for a delicious comfort food, this low-carb stuffed cabbage is just what you need. Come, let me show you how easy it is to make. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And be sure to subscribe and hit like if you enjoyed this video. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.